Good morning everyone. So I've got a manic day ahead, absolutely manic day. So I've got two big jobs in, one big service and one big repair that we need to get started on, and then we're building a bike and then process dismantling too. So I'm going to try and show you the bikes if I can, but this thing won't allow it. Here we go. So we've got all that to do today, plus serve customers and sell stuff and just basically keep the business going. So I'm going to be quite busy today. I'll put it on time lapse and then you can see how busy I am. So I've just had some biscuits, but prior to that I ordered the parts for this bike here. So this Carrera. So as you can see, it's missing a derailleur hanger, a front derailleur, and the cables that go with it, and a chain as well, I should point out. So what I've done, got a good used front derailleur, a used derailleur hanger, and I've got the rear derailleur, and I've ordered the chain for this bike. So I'll be working on this one tomorrow. So you'll be able to see that one being done tomorrow. Right, cup of tea and on to the next one. So the bike you see here, we're now going to do a silver service on it. However, it's making some really horrible noises in here. It's the tyres are flat. It just needs a complete overhaul. So this is the next job. It's a Tiger classic bike. And it's going to need a bit of work, I think. So I think I'll stick it on time lapse, and you can watch me sort this chain out. So this is the next bike we're working on. This one got donated. It's a bit tired. It's not in a good enough condition to make it into an actual bike that we can use to put in the shop, but we can definitely get some parts off it. So that's my next job today, is to crack on with this very old and very tired. For dismantling is this Reflex Horizon. Now on the surface it looks like it's an okay bike, but actually it's got a fair bit of damage to it. The rear here, I've had to bend that straight, the derailleur hanger's not straight, and that needs a lot of work. The wheels are buckled and stuff. The saddle is is damaged, things are very rusty, a lot of the cables aren't working, the chain ain't working. So this one's up for dismantling. We should get some nice parts off this one. So the second one is now dismantled. We've got off what I want to get off. We've got a lovely haul of parts that just need cleaning, as you can see. Loads of bits and pieces. Some of it will end up in the shop. Some of it will end up on bikes. A lot of it, there's nothing wrong with it, just needs a good clean. Okay, so we've got this cobble equator that we're going to build. It's the next job for the day. It's in quite good condition. Just needs a service really. So we're going to give it some love and hopefully we can make it into a nice bike for somebody. It's nice saddle, full suspension. It's a nice thing. And I've realised that the worktop seriously needs tidying up, so that's what I'm going to do for the next half an hour.